Welcome back students. I am your geography teacher Vandana Joshi and you are watching SST 2. Students, till now in our previous videos of chapter Indian climate, we have studied about the monsoon and its nature, Indian climate and diversities in Indian climate, and the mechanism of weather in different seasons. We have also studied about the rhythm of season, in which we have studied about the 4 types of seasons. Today we will cover few more topics in the chapter Indian climate. Our today's topics are the traditional Indian season, distribution of rainfall and the characteristics of rainfall, and the climatic regions of India according to Köppen's scheme. We will also see the effects of monsoon on social economical life of India, which is based on monsoon. So let's start our today's topics. According to traditional Indian season, the season of India is divided into 6 parts, which includes 2 months in each season. These are Vasanta, Grishma, Varsha, Sharad, Hemant and Shishir. If we see these 6 seasons according to Indian calendar and the English calendar, these are divided as. According to Indian calendar, the Vasanta Ritu is referred as Chaitra Vaishakha, Grishma as Jeshta Ashada, Varsha as Shravana Bhadu, Sharada as Ashwin Kartik, Hemanta as Magshish and Posh, and the Shishira as Magha and Falguna. If we talk about the English month, Vasanta refers to March-April, Grishma May-June, Varsha July-August, Sharada September-October, Hemanta November-December, and Shishira as January and February. So it was the Indian version of different seasons. Here you have seen a variation in the different seasons. Now let's discuss about the distribution of rainfall, which is basically divided into 4 parts. As you can see in this given map, the distribution of rainfall in India basically divided into 4 parts. The areas of high rainfall where the rainfall is more than 200 cm. Second is the area of medium rainfall where the rainfall is between 100 to 200 cm. Third is the area of low rainfall where the rainfall is between 50 to 100 cm, and the fourth is the area of very low rainfall where the rainfall is less than 50 cm. There is a great variation in the distribution of rainfall. Over 80% of rainfall is received in the 4 rainy months. During cold weather, India receives about 25 cm of rainfall. So as you can see in the map that there are many variations in the Indian rainfall system. So how we could decide and what are the characteristics of Indian rainfall in the monsoonal season? So let's see. The average annual rainfall in India is about 125 cm. It is estimated that more than 85% of rainfall is received in summer. There are few characteristics of that. These are monsoonal rainfall, uncertain rainfall, which is also known as the monsoon burst, unequal distribution, heavy rainfall, relief rainfall, no continuity of rainfall, and variable rainfall. So let's see how these can express as a characteristic of monsoonal rainfall. The monsoonal rainfall is the rain is received from southwest summer monsoon during the period mid-June to mid-September. It is a seasonal rainfall. What is the uncertain rainfall? Summer rainfall is quite uncertain. Sometimes monsoons start early, resulting in floods. Often the onset of monsoon is delayed, resulting the drought. The early or late retreat of monsoon also results is serious drought. That next is the unequal distribution. The rainfall is unevenly distributed over the country, as already I told you, due to many reasons are behind that, like temperature, reliefs, and the topography, and many reasons are there. About 10% of the country gets more than 200 centimeter of rainfall, while 25% of country gets less than 75 centimeter, and rest of the country gets 100 to 200 centimeter of rainfall, as already I told you in the map. What about the heavy rainfall? Indian rainfall is heavy and downpouring type. It is often said it pours, it never rains in India. Next we can say the relief rainfall. What is the relief rainfall? The amount of rainfall is determined by the presence of mountains. High mountains force monsoon to rise and give rain. It is the condition basically we can see in the eastern one India, where monsoon realm is situated. It is covered from three sides with the mountains, so that's why it is a place where the heaviest rainfall is occurred. And if we talk about the no continuity of rainfall, that is the summer rain is characterized by breaks or dry spells. And variable rainfall, most of the areas have variable rainfalls as much as 30 centimeter plus of minus. Due to variability in areas of low rain, famines occur. These were the characteristics of Indian monsoonal rainfall. Indian climatic season is also divided into different zones. As in book first we have studied a Köppen scheme through which the world climate is divided. The same scheme we can see in India. So let's see the climatic regions of India according to Köppen's scheme. The major climate types of India on the Köppen's schemes are divided as A, B, C, D and E, where A refers to the tropical climate, B refers to the dry climate, C refers to the warm climate, D refers to the snow climate, and E refers to the ice or polar climate. So let's see which area are included in that climatic zones. Students, as already in book first we have studied about the second small letters F, M, W and S, where D corresponds to no dry season, M monsoon climate with short dry season, W winter dry season and S summer dry season. The third small letters are A, B, C and D. These refers to the degree of severity of temperature. So how it works on Indian climatic condition. So let's see. If you will see in the first one, that is divided into AMW, which means the monsoon with the short dry season. And the areas are included the west coast of India and south of Goa. AS describes the monsoon with dry summer. It is the area, the Coromandel coast of Tamil Nadu. AW, tropical savannas. Most of the peninsular plateau and the south of the Tropic of Cancer is included in the AW types of climate. Now let's come to the B. B means the dry climate. So here it is showing BWHW, which means semi-arid steppe climate. The areas are included in that. These are the northwestern Gujarat, some parts of western Rajasthan and Punjab. The second one is BWHW, which means hot desert, in which the areas are included the extreme western Rajasthan. The third one is CWG, where the the CWG is refers to monsoon with dry winter. The areas are included Ganga Plain, eastern Rajasthan, northern Madhya Pradesh, and most of northeastern India. If we see the D1, D means the snow climate. So DFC is showing the cold, humid winter with short summer. The area is included in the this climatic condition is Arunachal Pradesh. And next is E. E refers to the polar types, and the areas are included in that Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, and Uttarakhand. So students, it was a distribution of the climatic zones according to Köppen's weather scheme. So now let's see how the monsoonal climate of India affects to the social and economical condition of our country. Students, as you know, India is a country of agriculture. The agriculture is dependent on the water supplies, basically the rainy season or the rain. So how it is affecting the monsoonal climate is affecting to Indian economy and the social life. Let's see. Students, as we know, the monsoon is a gamble for the Indian farmers. The failure of summer monsoon result in famines and food shortage. Therefore, monsoon is known as a important condition for the Indian agriculture, or we can say it plays a big role in the Indian agriculture as well as the economical condition of our country. We all know the almost 8 months in India remain dry, where artificial means of irrigation are required for growing crops. This has prompted India to develop a sound irrigation system since ancient time. We can say the variability of rainfall brings drought or flood every year, or the regional climatic variation in India are reflected in the variety of food, clothes and house types. Variety of crop not only provide raw material for different industrial productions, but they are also associated with several cultural functions such as Lohri, Tees, etc. The border unity of monsoon is reflects in fine emotions of men such as literature, dance, music and paintings. Rag Malhar is played and sung during rainy season. The impact of climate can be observed in variety of sports and game of different regions in India. As I told, the Indian monsoonal climate affect both the economical and the social life of human beings. As we know that many festivals are related to our climatic conditions, and as well as our economical condition is also connected with the monsoonal condition, as the agriculture and many industries are related to it. So students, here our chapter Indian climate is complete. Hope you understood it. For more videos and updates, keep watching SST June.